Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit photo using AI for your Instagram post or Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. We're going to use Nano Banana AI on Gemini. So first of all, make sure that you have already installed this Gemini app on your phone, or you can open up the Gemini website, gemini.google.com. I'm going to open up my Gemini, and then we can create new chat. All right, and then here guys, you need to choose this feature, banana feature shown by this banana icon, and then make sure that you choose Gemini 2.5 flash here. If this nano banana cannot appear on your Gemini, you can try to update your Gemini and also update your Google application. And then I'm going to click on this plus icon guys, and then we can add the image that we want to edit. And for the image, I'm just going to pick a random image from my gallery. Wait, for example, I'm going to add I'm going to add one of my photo. Wait guys, I'm still choosing my photo. Alright, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to click on done. And then you just need to add the prompt. For example, you can add the prompt like this. I'm going to make it more cinematic and more aesthetic. So I'm going to ask the AI to enhance the color to make it more vibrant. And we can add filter as well. You can ask the AI to add a filter and then adjust the brightness like this. Basically, you can do any editing with AI guys, but you need to be good in making a prompt. Okay, and let's wait for the result. And yeah, this is the result guys. It looks so cool compared to the original video. The original photo. Okay, this is the original photo, and this is the photo I have edited with AI on Gemini. You can also ask the AI to edit your hairstyle, your hair color, or the background. And let's try to ask the AI. I'm going to ask the AI to change the hair color like this to dark gray. All right, and you can also make it to change your background. It's up to you guys. It's according to your needs. All right, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit photo with AI for your Instagram post or reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.